Um, so my favorite movie is actually a movie called Swades. It is with Shah Rukh Khan, who is one of the India's greatest actors that we've had. And the movie is about how this person who is a NASA scientist goes back to India and learns about the problems that India still faces and realize that he can use his knowledge to improve India. So he decides to go back and stay there, and instead of complaining about the problems, actually take action on it. So yeah, that's my favorite movie. I can connect to it really strongly. So I remember watching Jurassic Park as a kid, and the first time that the T-Rex came on screen, I think terrified me as a kid. It was the most horrifying thing I'd ever seen, but really enthralling experience. So I think from memory off the top of my head, that movie, Jurassic Park, the first one, scared me a lot. I mean, the superhero in the modern sense of the word is very Marvel coded or DC Comics coded, but I always see women to be superheroes, and I see mothers to be superheroes. So I think every mom has superhero capabilities. So I feel that if I were to be a superhero, I'd be like my mom. She's a superhero. I would pretend to be a zombie in a zombie apocalypse so they don't catch me. I think that would be the easiest way to stay safe. How weird am I? I don't know. After working for 15 years as a marketing and communications person, I dropped all of that and joined a content or like joined a writing program for screenwriting. So that's how weird I am. I can take decisions like that. Think about the privilege of my birth. I've been born to a family which is progressive. Even though I'm a woman, I was never made to feel anything less than a man. I've been born to a family which had the wealth and the financial well-being to educate me, for me to travel and live in different places, for me to have experiences all over the world, which just by the accident of birth, a lot of people don't get. So I think I'm very lucky. I have a personal experience with manhole covers. As a child, once while chasing a ball, I fell into one, and that manhole was actually square. So I had a deep cut around me because the edge of the manhole like scraped me, and the corner like really hurt me. So I think just for like that safety purpose and just for the ease of opening and closing, I think that's why they're round. That's a weird question, but yeah, that's what it is.